Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea Great British Marine Life series. Today I'm going to be talking about the violet sea slug, Edmundsella pedata. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and if you aren't already, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy. The violet sea slug is named for its magnificent colour, however they only grow to around 5 centimetres, usually around 2 centimetres though, so it can be tricky to spot this nudibranch despite their bright coloration. Their bright coloration is an example of aposematism or warning coloration. This is where a species uses their coloration to stand out and signal to predators they are poisonous, even if they aren't. To learn more about camouflage techniques, click the link above or in the description. All nudibranchs are sea slugs, but not all sea slugs are nudibranchs. The body of the violet sea slug is a pink-purple colour with projections along their back that have white tips. These projections, serrata, occur in bunches and are joined together at their bases. They have 2 antennae called rhinophores, as well as 2 either side of their mouth, which is what they use to feel for food. They can be found solitary or sometimes in pairs. They inhabit reddish seaweeds and rocky surfaces that are somewhat exposed. Their eggs are laid as thin white thread that can be easier to spot than the nudibranchs themselves. They are widespread along the British coast and on most coasts between Norway and the Mediterranean. They eat eudendrium, a large type of hydroids from the genus Cnidaria. These sea slugs, or nudibranchs, are mollusks, just like land slugs and snails, although they are very different. Many nudibranchs eat stinging animals called hydroids, which are like small anemones on stalks. They can pass the stings through their digestive system and collect them on their backs as a deterrent to predators. The violet sea slug has not yet been assessed for the IUCN Red List. To learn more about what the Red List is, click the link above or check the description. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.